if you are working in the pharmaceutical industry or you are one of the manufacturer or decision maker in the pharmaceutical industry, let me share with you a very amazing news, right? And it is regarding my new book, Blue Ocean of Data Integrity. Yeah, have you ever thought that even after there are a lot of systems, procedures, people, knowledge, investment of huge money in the manufacturing company, even when there are so many SOPs are there, but still manufacturing companies are failing in the regulatory inspections. They are getting the 483s, they are getting the warning letters, and there are huge losses in the business. There are a lot of people are being removed from their job, and companies cannot do business even for more than a year, and no one wants to do business with that company who has got the warning letter. So this is a very big loss and huge problem to the pharmaceutical industry, that if they are impacted with the enforcement actions and warning letters. So I always keep sharing with all of you about the Blue Ocean compliance tips on my different social media platforms and on my YouTube channel, right? And I have also written the book, Blue Ocean of Compliance. So with these you will get the idea that how you can reduce the cost due to non-compliance, and how you can stop or prevent your company getting the warning letter or 483s. But yes, knowledge without implementation is of no use, right? If you will know so many things, you will listen to me, you will read my book, but if you don't apply those learnings on your manufacturing side, so these are not going to help you. But yes, if you will apply these learnings on your side, so these learnings will give you magical results, right? And so many people have got the result by applying the Blue Ocean compliance thought processes. Yeah, and I am writing my thought process in books, right? The first book was Blue Ocean of Compliance that I have published in 2022. Right now, second book has come. I published now recently on Kindle, and soon it will be available in hard copy format Amazon. Right. So this Blue Ocean of Data Integrity book is about that point, data integrity, because most of the failures or warning letters are given. The reason is data integrity. If you can solve this particular problem of data integrity, then you will be able to solve so many problems on your manufacturing side. Means if you can solve the problem of data integrity, you can save your company getting the warning letters, right? And don't think that I am making you scared, but this is the fact that no one can avoid, that data integrity is not acceptable at all, right? Other problems can be solved, but the problem of data integrity cannot be forgiven or is not neglected or by the pharmaceutical authority, means a regulatory authority, right? So solving the problem of data integrity is must. So how you can solve the problem of data integrity? What frameworks if you will apply on your manufacturing site? So those frameworks can save your company and save so many business losses, right? So I have published the whole thought process in this Blue Ocean of Data Integrity book, and this is unique frameworks in the world that I am going to publish. I have published in my book Blue Ocean of Data Integrity. So go and read that book and do not miss to apply those learnings on your manufacturing site. Hi, I am Dr. Rupali Paranspe, founder of Blue Ocean Compliance, also the international best-selling author of my book, Blue Ocean of Compliance. And I am going to publish the books in the series for the quality compliance professional, for pharma professionals. And yes, these learnings are going to bring the magical shift in your career, because if you will apply these learnings, so you are going to get the results, and you will be different from other people who have not read this book or who have never thought in that direction, because all these thought processes are innovative and new and magical result giving thought processes. So do not miss to read my book Blue Ocean of Data Integrity. But yes, you read it with the blue ocean of compliance. Yeah, but yes, let me tell you that both books are independent from each other. And let me share with you that Blue Ocean of Data Integrity book is specifically on the strategy building. So if you are a decision maker, founder, CEO, or business owner, so you have your own manufacturing company, pharmaceutical manufacturing company, so these strategies are going to help you to design your system such that your system will be data integrity proof, and it will be in the auto mode, right? So do not miss to read my book Blue Ocean of Data Integrity. It is written for you, for your growth, for your success, for your exponential speed and huge success. I have written this book for you. But yes, so do not miss to read this book. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. Thank you.